Are you craving chocolate cake? This cake pancake is quick, easy, and you don't need eggs. To start, preheat your oven to 350 degrees, then lightly grease an 8-inch square or 9-inch round cake pan that's at least 2 inches deep. In a large bowl, combine 1½ cups of flour, 1 cup of sugar, 1/4 cup of cocoa powder, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and mix. In a small bowl, combine 1/3 cup of vegetable oil, 1 tablespoon of vinegar, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, and 1 cup of cold water. Pour wet ingredients into the bowl of dry ingredients and mix until completely combined. Don't forget to scrape the sides of the bowl. Pour into the prepared pan and bake for 30 to 35 minutes until a toothpick inserted in the center comes out clean. You can serve this cake warm from the oven, or once cool, you can frost the cake with this simple chocolate frosting. Heat 1½ cups of chocolate chips and 1/2 cup of half and half until the chips melt. If you don't have half and half like me, you can substitute milk and butter. Place 1 tablespoon of butter in a measuring cup and fill with milk to the 1/2 cup mark. Or you can substitute 1/3 cup of cold coffee for the half and half. Stir until smooth and pour over the cake. This cake tastes great with icing or without. Hope you enjoy this cake as much as Mala and I do.